via violence and terror, and millions of its fanatical followers are now in our country. I'm not going to talk today about this self-evident truth, and nor why our traitor class are so keen on avoiding this self-evident truth, but what I will talk about is how we can deal with Islamic terror, and I mean deal with it rather than doing what Theresa May is doing, which is pretending to deal with it. 1. We should stop all Muslim immigration today completely. 2. We should close down every mosque in this country which preaches Salafist or Deobandi Islamic supremacism, which means pretty much all of them. 3. We should tell the truth about Islam, which means identifying all the calls for violence and terror in the Quran, and then ban the Quran as a book of hate. 4. We should remove all funding from every public Muslim organisation in Britain. 5. We should close down every Muslim charity organisation in Britain, many of which, and we don't know how many, are just fronts for terrorist fundraising. 6. We should stop all further Saudi Arabian funding of Islam in Britain. 7. We should intern the thousands of Muslim terror suspects immediately. 8. We should deport all Muslim criminals with dual passports. 9. We should close down all Sharia courts. 10. We should prosecute everyone who practices honour violence, honour killings and female genital mutilation, and deport the ones who have dual nationality. 11. We should close down all aspects of Sharia finance and all Middle Eastern sovereign wealth funds, which massively influence our political and media class via the thousands of millions of pounds they bring into Britain. And as with most things in life, if you want to know why our traitor class behaves as the traitor class, it's simply a matter of following the money. And if all of these suggestions were in place in the future and we still suffered from Islamic terror, then the only and logical response should then be to deport all Muslims.